Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create the pixelized picture from any of our pictures, as you can see. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. The only thing what I need, I just need to open a new page and go into the apps and searching for Pixelify, this application. The only thing what we need, we have to upload the picture what we want to use, and here we can see we can scale it. If I move into the right side to the 50, I get the original picture. If I move into the left, the scale is 1, and you can see only 4 pixels on our picture, which is, we cannot see anything. But if you're moving to around to 15, something is already recognizable. I just move into here, I just increase it, and adding one more. Doing the same again, and now I scale it to 30. And as you can see, this is the 30, this is the 15, and that was the one what I made it before. I think this is at least 40, the scale, and that was the original picture. So this picture is still recognizable, even almost my face also. Here it's very blurry. You can see there is a low amount of pixels, and here that was the scale 30. Here is a bit more recognizable, as you can see, the double amount of the pixels, but still really blurry. And that was a half. This is a 15 scale. As you can see, that's really blurry. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you enjoy it, and don't forget to push the small like button if you like my tutorial. And see you on the next one. Ciao.